Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to TCL 40R. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set it up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!